My artist name and designer name is Virco, Virrco. I participated here under the umbrella of Partnership for Sustainability Education. Under the Partnership for Sustainability Education, we're heavily promoting sustainability. So, sustainability sa tahe, sa pananamit, how we live, di ba? And I'm so happy that DOST also invited PSE, including me, to showcase local textile, local manufacturing, local craftsmanship. This way, under the umbrella of sustainability, because we're using local habit, mas matibay, so mas sustainable. Sustainable din siya because we're helping local communities create. DOST is heavy on their programs to help local communities in that doing local habit para maging sustainable, humaba pa yung longevity ng craftsmanship about this. And their partnership with the fashion designers, this will make sure that the Filipino culture, the Filipiniana, tumagal din and ma-innovate natin, magawa natin modern. If you've noticed, medyo modern yung Filipiniana ko, medyo low cut kasi ang mission ko is to promote it to the younger generation kasi that's also part of sustainability. Who's gonna wear it next, di ba? So sila, kaya medyo young, medyo younger. So ganun po. As a nurse, I'm really heavy to nurse po ako by profession.
Ano po yung naging need sa inyo to shift into a passionate design?
I'm still a nurse. I'm still a registered nurse. But my left brain, talagang into art.
Very passionate to art.
Yes.
And sir, what is your message? Because this coming September, we will celebrating the Philippine Creative Industry Month.
Ay, naku, gusto ko maging bahagi niyan.
We are part as journalists,
yes.
and you
So
as
mabuhay,
a designer.
mabuhay. Natutuwa ako na going back to the Philippines, nakita ko na alive yung kultura, how we promote it, ang daming event. DOST is promoting local hobby and hibla and local fashion designers, local communities creating, and helping Philippine culture. So masaya, so salamat sa mga organizer nito. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong programa nila.
Yeah, is this your first time to cooperate with the DOST regarding
Yes po,
this?
it's our first. But this is my fourth with Partnership with Sustainability Education. Partnership for Sustainability Education, heavy sila into promoting sustainability, wellness, how we do things. Talagang sustainable dapat education. So we did like 3 na yata na. So ako talaga more into upside. I paint on dresses para mabigyan sila ng buhay. It's my first time to create na using Filipino textile and fabric in a fashion.
Innovation
Yes,
from the
innovation.
R&D
Yes, opo.
textile. Okay, thank you so much.
Salamat po. Salamat, ma'am.